Okay, today we're going to be learning to create a simple shape and modify it and extrude it so that when you create your models you know what you're doing, what keys and tools to use. So go up to the left top corner on the drop down menu, and as you can see we have several options here: animation, polygon, surfaces, dynamics, and so forth. So anytime you choose animation, polygons, it will the top test bar will change into to that selection. But for now we're going to work with polygons, so we're going to go to create polygon primitives, and as you can see you have several basic shapes that you can select. You start off your modeling, but for now we're going to use a cube. So by dragging the space of the object in whatever size you like, drag it and place it and release the mouse, and then drag upwards to create the three-dimensional object. And now you see the object, but if we would like the object to be in wireframe, so we go under shading, we have wireframe, and then we smooth shade on, X-ray. If we don't want the X-ray, we just go back and deselect it. Okay. And now to modify this object, we need to place the mouse on the object and hold down the right mouse button, and you will get a hidden menu that you can select from face, vertex, edge, and object mode. So if we select face, then we can select any of the faces of this object. Once we select the face, we go to edit mesh, extrude, and as you can see we have rotate, scale, and move at the same time, so that if you move the extruded face and you wish to scale it, you click the scale little square boxes, and if you wish to rotate it, and by hitting the letter G on the keyboard will allow you to repeat the process of extruding, and if you hit the F key on the keyboard will allow you to zoom into the object that is selected. Now if we need to create a copy and merge two objects together, we will select the object, make sure it's in object mode, if it's still in face mode, and Control D will copy the object, and hitting the W key will allow you to move the object and place the object close as possible to the other vertices, so that if you want to merge them together. And the next step will be to select the primary object that you like the other object to be merged to. Shift select that object, go to mesh, combine. Now it's one object, and right click on that object and go to vertex, and now we have vertex that we can select vertices and merge them. So by hitting the F key on the keyboard, we will zoom into that section, so we will be able to select two vertices and go to edit mesh, merge, and hitting the G button will repeat the process. Now we have an object that's merged together. And if you want to delete the faces that are inside, zoom into the object, right click, face, delete faces, and now it's all in one piece. And but if you don't want to delete the faces, then you can just leave them there as like a second floor to a building. And now I'll show you how to create windows and doors on a wall. So you go to create primitives, cube, draw the shape of the wall, and select the shape or design of the window, place it in the wall, and make sure it's visible on both sides of the wall, and it's inside the wall. And go to and select the object that's to be cut out of the window, and select the window shape, and go to edit, and go to mesh, boolean difference, and there we go. And now if you don't like the shape or the location of the window, you can always go to vertex, select the vertex, you can place it anywhere that you like, and you can scale it down however, and you can also use it as well to create a door. So there we go, and that's it for this lesson. I hope you have fun as much as I did.